What's up, everybody on YouTube? Got another snacks video coming at you with my favorite candy of all time. My mom used to get these all the time and I used to eat them up. Riesen's Chewy chocolate caramel covered in rich European chocolate. I love European chocolate. I've been getting a lot of European chocolate lately. Riesen double chocolate indulgence. These things melt right in your mouth. They're friggin' awesome. This is going to be an awesome review. I got these at my local Walmart, $1.98 a bag. It's a good deal. They're individually wrapped in there, as you can tell. Boom. See how many we get. I could smell them as soon as I dumped them out of the bag. It's got a nice chocolate smell. This is the best chocolate ever. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 pieces of candy. Show you what that looks like really quick. Oh yeah. It's got a little press on the bottom. Can't see it, but it's chocolate on the outside that melts quicker than the caramel on the inside. A piece of it fell off. Everyone's the same. They all got the same pattern on the bottom. That's cool. Yep, Riesen's chocolate. Look, my most favorite. I'm John the Picker. I'm out. Tune in. We'll be having more snacks. I like that kind big time.